Risk management, identifying and managing risks in food production processes. I'm Felicia, your food safety consultant. Today, we're delving into risk management, exploring the critical process of identifying and managing risks in food production. Risk management is the foundation of proactive food safety, ensuring we catch issues before they become problems. Understanding risk management. Let's begin by understanding what risk management is and why it's a fundamental element of food safety. Risk management operates on principles such as identification, assessment, and mitigation. The role of risk management. Risk management plays a pivotal role in food safety by preventing and addressing potential hazards. One of its key functions is identifying and categorizing risks in food production. Risk management involves assessing and prioritizing identified risks based on their potential impact. Risk management implementation. Now, let's explore how to implement risk management effectively in your food production. Begin by training your team to understand and apply risk management principles. Develop a systematic process for identifying risks in your food production. Utilize risk assessment tools such as risk matrix to measure the likelihood and severity of identified risks. Implement strategies to mitigate or eliminate identified risks. Establish a routine for monitoring and reviewing your risk management plan. The benefits of risk management. Now, let's discuss the benefits risk management brings to your food production. Risk management enables proactive problem solving, addressing issues before they escalate. It enhances efficiency by streamlining operations and resource allocation. By preventing defects and contamination, risk management reduces product wastage. It enhances safety and compliance, ensuring products meet regulatory standards. In summary, risk management is not just an option, it's a commitment to proactive food safety. It's about protecting your brand and your customers. Your risk management checklist. Before we wrap up, let's go over our risk management checklist. Train your team to understand risk management principles. Develop a systematic process for risk identification. Utilize risk assessment tools. Implement strategies to mitigate or eliminate identified risks. Establish a routine for monitoring and reviewing your risk management plan. That's it for today's video. I hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance of risk management in food safety. Remember, it's not just a process, it's a commitment to proactive risk prevention. If you have any questions or need assistance with implementing risk management in your facility, feel free to reach out. Until next time, stay safe and stay proactive.